company has its origins in the CNC manufacture of high-precision motorcycle and auto parts for Japanese and German brands. The experience obtained during those years led us to evolve and create our own designs that set new standards in the motorsports industry. We at Gpro strive for innovation. All our products are carefully designed, thinking in the rider's experience, focused on quality, safety, functionality, and appearance. We apply in our company continuous improvement practices to ensure that our products met the customer expectations in the best possible and most efficient way. For that reason, we have been recognized with several awards, such as the Taiwan Excellence Award, the Golden Peak Award, the Golden Torch Award, and the National Industrial Innovation Award. We are also certified by Gogoro Taiwan to produce aftermarket wheels and sprockets for the electric scooters. Our wheels are the result of intense R&D to produce a new concept not seen in the scooter industry before. Using all the advantages of the 3D modeling and simulation, our engineers have achieved a lightweight, jet-strong wheel milled from the highest quality aerospace-grade forged titanium 6061. Each wheel set is tailored to be the most optimal combination of lightweight forging profiles and milling features, preparing every single edge to conform a very smooth surface. The wheel consists of a patented two-piece assembly, which is a rim and a star hub, securely connected with titanium bolts, all designed to improve the handling performance, increasing dynamics, cornering response, and acceleration, all decreasing the overall stopping distances. Besides the high technology involved behind the construction of each wheel, the riders can find in our wheels a large variety of fresh color coatings and very attractive spoke designs that enhances their scooter's appearance, opening a whole new spectrum of combinations where to choose from, and customize the dream bike. Again, it's all about improving the rider's experience and optimizing the motorcycle's performance for maximum efficiency in the road and the racetrack. We at Gpro are proud to belong to this select group of innovators.